Start by opening Valorant and logging into your account. The home screen is your gateway to all settings. Next, navigate to your profile by clicking under player icon in the top right corner. Now, select Account from the drop-down menu. This is where all your profile settings are located. Scroll down to the Privacy section. This will allow you to make crucial changes to your profile visibility. Toggle the Account Visibility option to Public. This will let your friends and others view your profile. Finally, save your settings, and voila! Your profile is now public for everyone to see. Having a public profile enhances your visibility and makes it easier for players to connect with you. It also allows you to showcase your game stats, achievements, and skills more effectively. More visibility means more opportunities to join teams and find teammates for your next game. So, embrace the community and enjoy new connections with fellow Valorant players. Remember, a public profile can boost your gaming experience in Valorant significantly. So, get out there and show the world your Valorant skills. Good luck!